I am comforted by the promises of God. Blessed by the Lord, there hath not failed one word of his good promise. 1 Kings 8:56. The Bible is filled with divine promises, revealed through the spiritual intuition of great souls. We are promised long life and happiness, riches and abundance, health and success. The Bible contains more promises than any other book ever written, and tells us to accept that these promises are not vague, uncertain things. More particularly, it tells us that these promises are being fulfilled right now, in the day in which we live. Beloved, now are we the sons of God. We need not wait to enter into the fulfillment of these promises. They are eternally given and wait only on our acceptance. This acceptance is a mental as well as the spiritual act. It is the mind accepting its highest hope in complete confidence, placing its entire reliance on a power greater than itself. Today, I accept the divine promises. I accept them with the simplicity of a child, with the joy of one who received his good in grateful acknowledgement of the all-sustaining beauty. I accept divine guidance watching over me. I accept the enveloping presence of the life that sustains me. I accept the beauty and the peace of this presence. I accept happiness and success. I accept health and wholeness. I accept love and friendship. I realize that what rightfully belongs to me also rightfully belongs to everyone else. Therefore, I promise myself and all others to live as though the kingdom of God were at hand for all people. I accept a good beyond my fondest imagination, beyond my greatest dream, knowing that this good that I accept will flow through me into complete expression. He shall give to me even more abundantly than I have asked. For the promises of God are as certain as life, as immutable as law, as personal as the air I breathe. Today I accept my good.